This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can add you to WhatsApp group. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp has always allowed anyone with your phone number to message you or add you to a group, just like how anyone can send you an SMS, message, or email if they have your contact information. By default, your group privacy settings are set to everyone. This way, you can easily connect with friends and family even if they are not in your contact list. For additional privacy, you can control who can add you to a group by adjusting your WhatsApp setting. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on Settings. Tap on Privacy. You can scroll down. There is an option, Groups. You can tap on that. Now you can choose who can add you to a group on WhatsApp. If you only want your contact that can add you to your WhatsApp, so number that you save and they save your number back, you can tap on My Contacts. But if you don't want, some people can add you to a group, you can choose the contact that you don't want they to add you to your group that they've made or they have. They can tap on checklist here. So all of your contact except that 8 contact, they cannot add you to a group. Admins won't add you to a group will have the option of inviting you privately instead. The setting does not apply to community announcement groups. If you're added to a group, to a community, you'll always be added to a community announcement group. Change to group privacy settings can't be made on WhatsApp web or desktop. When you change the settings on your phone, they will be synchronized with WhatsApp web and desktop. The setting doesn't apply to community announcements. So that is how to manage who can add you to a group on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!